The Updater Service is a Chromeleon CDS component that manages the download and installation of Chromeleon software updates. Its primary use is on 247 instrument controllers and instrument controller PCs where a user is not normally logged on. The Chromeleon Administration Console is used for organizing updates. The task requires certain administration privileges, including managing global policies, maintenance window, and the updater service. The global policy allows distributed caching in larger networks, controlling individual and overall data transfer rates, mapping a drive letter, and specifying the central updater host, which defaults to the domain controller if left blank. Installation and maintenance is performed in the computer's option of domain resources. View the updater repository and create a new package. The maintenance window now needs to be set. Choose the start time. And end time or leave open-ended, the notification period for users. Whether to enforce the window. Choose the update. And any installation options. The download status can be monitored. Until it is ready to be installed. The Chromeleon console will warn when the maintenance window is imminent. Easily maintain network PCs with Chromeleon CDS Updater Service.